up here in Del Cerro, San Diego. I'm going to replace a 48-inch sliding door screen. Usually there'd be a clip to clip the screen up and hold it up, but there isn't. So what I'm going to do is pop a couple pieces of spline in there to hold it up. Do the top first. There's a Home Depot roller, awesome, best you could find. Then another crappy roller to pre-roll because it's a small plastic, it won't rip, and these are from Harbor Freight. I have a solid base. Now I'm just going to pre-roll the sides and pop those in. I pre-rolled it, and then I used the wide open side of the little roller to kind of tuck it in. Then I kind of folded the screen over it and gave it its final push in to keep from damaging the inside of the screen mesh. Last I'll do the bottom. Okay, I'm going to cut the sides now. That's a beautiful screen door. $50. Put the mesh in there. So just a quick comment about screen doors. That one was 48 inches wide, so I charge 50 bucks for those. On a good day, it'll take me 20 minutes, maybe 10 minutes, sometimes 10 to 20 minutes. I'm fast at them. I probably problem solved about 10 different things there without you seeing it. Charge top dollar for those. If it's a 36-inch wide door, charge 40. Charge 50 for the larger ones. Nobody wants to replace one of those by themselves. You're going to lose some screen here and there. So charge top dollar and you'll get faster and faster at them. And then as you get really fast, who cares if it took you 10 minutes, 5 minutes to make 50 bucks? The point is, they're not skilled at it. You're getting more and more skilled, so you can make more and more money per hour. More and more money per hour doing it. So that's the best way to do a screen door, fastest, unless you take the whole door off, but I'm not going to do that. Having it right there, as long as you stretch everything just right, and you know, as you're putting it down into the channels, you're pre-rolling it, and then you're stretching the spline. And when you stretch that spline, it kind of just goes in there easy. Then when you let it go, it expands back up. So anyway, good luck out there, guys. Click like and subscribe.